Hello and welcome to the StrottSHOW. My name is Michael Carroll, Vice President at Strottner Designs, your San Antonio-based boutique marketing firm with all things graphic and web design, as well as social media, SEO, Aero, and any other important inbound marketing topic that you can think of. We are back again with another AI-based video where we are diving deeper into this burgeoning field and how important it is for your growing business. So let's get right down to it, shall we? And we are going to talk today in episode number 52, what is the main difference between AI search platforms and traditional search engines? I'm glad you asked. Let's talk about it. In the vast ocean of the internet, oh, no, we're going to start this off with an answer guide. In the vast ocean of the internet, metaphors abound. Search engines are like the trusty ship captains that guide us to islands of information. I forgot to switch over. Hang on. In the vast ocean of the internet, metaphors abound. Search engines are like the trusty ship captains that guide us to islands of information. For years, traditional search engines like Google and Bing have done a pretty good job of helping us find everything from the latest cat meme to that elusive cookie recipe. But now, there's a new captain in town, AI search platforms, and they're shaking things up in a big way. So what's the big deal? Why should small business owners, entrepreneurs, and even casual internet users care about this shift? In this post, we'll break down the key differences between AI search platforms and traditional search engines, focusing on how they process queries, deliver results, and adapt to user behavior. Plus, we'll dive into how AI is transforming the search experience and shaping the future of online information discovery, where I remind you that Strottner Designs offers programs to maximize AI results optimization, or Aero. Spoiler alert, it's very exciting. Number 1, how queries are processed. Understanding matching versus semantic understanding. Traditional search engines, keyword matching magic. Let's say you type best Italian restaurant near me into Google. What happens next is a lot of high-tech wizardry, but at its core, Google will match those exact words or similar words against its massive index of web pages. It's a keyword-driven process. The search engine takes the words you've given it and tries to find pages that contain those same words or close synonyms. It does a lot more than that. It really takes into consideration a lot of factors about the website that it's recommending and a number of other steps. But when it comes to these videos and these talks and these blog posts, we do try to distill this down to some of the simplest key points. While Google's algorithm has gotten smarter over the years, thanks to updates like Rank, Brain, and BERT, it's still primarily focused on keyword matching. AI search platforms, on the other hand, take a more intuitive approach. They don't just match the words you typed, they actually try to understand what you mean. Using advanced natural language processing models like OpenAI's GPT, these platforms look beyond individual words to grasp the context and intent behind your question. So when you ask, best Italian restaurant near me, an AI platform doesn't just pull up pages with those exact words. It might infer that you're looking for a cozy spot with great reviews, maybe even a restaurant that offers delivery based on past user behavior and preferences. In other words, traditional search engines are a bit like robots following a checklist, while AI search platforms are more like a well-informed concierge who knows what you want before you do. Gotta love that. Results delivery. List of links versus direct answers. Traditional search engines, here's a bunch of links, good luck. When you search for something on a traditional search engine, you're usually met with a list of blue links and sometimes ads, lots of ads. You have to sift through those results, click on different pages, and figure out which one actually answers your question. Sure, snippets and featured results help a bit, but most of the time the responsibility is still on you to find the information you're after. AI search platforms, on the other hand, let me get that for you. AI search platforms take a different approach. Instead of just handing you a list of links, they try to provide direct answers. Think about how AI chatbots or virtual assistants like Siri or Alexa respond to your questions. They don't just say, here are 10 websites that might have the answer. They give you the answer directly. Want to know the weather? You get the forecast. Need a quick fact? AI will summarize it for you without sending you on a wild goose chase through endless web pages. Not that long ago, I was looking and I bothered Grok for an espresso martini recipe, and it was fantastic. I used both Baileys and Kahlua, FYI. This shift towards direct answers means users can save time and get more accurate information faster, something that's especially important for busy entrepreneurs and small business owners who don't have time to dig through search results all day. There's a gratuitous demonstration of our online reputation. If you'd like to look a little closer, we're apparently pretty great, as you can see. Client-centric approach, business growth, comprehensive services, etc., etc., etc. All right, I'm back. User behavior adaptations, static results versus continuous learning. Traditional search engines are mostly static. While they've certainly evolved, remember Yahoo or Ask Jeeves? Their results are still largely based on static algorithms. Algorithms that adapt over the course of a year, of course. That is, the engine delivers results based on a set of rules it was programmed with. And while those rules are updated regularly, they don't change with each individual user in mind. You'll typically see the same results as someone else searching for the same term, give or take some personalization based on your browsing history, your location, the quality of the SEO being performed on the site. AI search platforms are constantly learning, just like you. AI search platforms don't just spit out the same results for everyone. They learn from each interaction. AI systems continuously improve based on user feedback, behavior, and preferences. The more you use them, the better they get at predicting what you're looking for and personalizing your results. For instance, if you're a small business owner frequently searching for marketing tips, an AI search platform will start to tailor its responses to give you more relevant business-related results over time. In contrast, a traditional search engine might still show you a generic list of links that may or may not be useful. How about search flexibility? Limited to text versus multimodal search capabilities. Traditional search engines are mostly text-based. They rely heavily on these queries. Sure, you can search by image thanks to Google, but the vast majority of search is still reliant on typing out words. This limits how you interact with the engine and find the information you need. AI platforms are breaking free from the text-only constraint. They can process not just text, but voice, images, even video. Think about how you ask Siri or Google Assistant a question using your voice, or how platforms like Pinterest can let you search by image. AI-driven systems can analyze different types of data and provide results accordingly, making them more flexible and powerful. For small business owners, this opens up a world of possibilities. Need to find a competitor's product based on a picture? Or want to quickly transcribe and search through a voice memo? AI search platforms are moving in that direction, making it easier to engage with search in ways that go beyond just typing. Oh boy. Data privacy and ethics, targeted ads versus ethical AI, we hope. With traditional search engines, you are the product. They make a lot of money by showing you ads. Your behavior is analyzed, tracked, and sold to the highest bidder so you can be targeted with ads that align with your interests. While this has its perks, who doesn't love personalized ads for things you actually care about? It also raises some significant privacy concerns. With AI, it's a work in progress. These platforms are in their early stages, and data privacy is a huge area of concern. Ideally, these platforms should offer more transparency and user control over their data, but we're not quite there yet. However, some AI-driven platforms aim to be less ad-focused and more user-centric. For entrepreneurs, this could mean more ethical search tools that prioritize delivering valuable results over profiting from your data. And then the search evolution, algorithms versus machine learning. Traditional search engines are rule-based algorithms based on keywords, backlinks, and page structure to rank results. These algorithms are updated periodically, but they still follow a fairly predictable rule-based platform. And then for AI, it's machine learning magic. They analyze vast amounts of data, to improve themselves over time, becoming more accurate and helpful with each interaction. Instead of being tied to specific rules, AI platforms are adaptive and fluid, learning from user interactions to deliver increasingly relevant results. So, what's the conclusion here? The main difference between AI search and traditional search boils down to how they process information, deliver results, and adapt to your behavior. Actually, when you say it that way, that's a lot. While traditional search engines rely on keywords and algorithms to match your queries with relevant web pages, AI search platforms take a more intuitive approach, understanding your intent, providing direct answers, and continuously learning from your behavior. It's important to note, if a business went all in on AI search right now, it probably wouldn't be enough to drive their business. The best strategy calls for a blend. Ambitious SEO strategies combined with arrow efforts to cover the entire digital space. As far as we know, only Strottner Designs offers this approach at the moment. So for small business owners and entrepreneurs, this shift represents a huge opportunity. AI search platforms can save you time, offer more personalized results, and help you find the exact information you need faster. So while traditional search engines are not going away anytime soon, the future of search is clearly being shaped by artificial intelligence, and it looks bright, maybe a little futuristic. So contact us at support@strottner.com to evaluate your current strategy, audit your site using the free tool found on every page of our website. And don't forget about SE October, which was last October and will be this October. Do you need a new site? Do you want to save money on your annual SEO spend? Actually, you don't need SE October for that. You can do that now. So contact us today to find out how we can help with this. I'm not sure if this comes through. I'm incredibly excited about AI and its impact on the future of search and small business and the impact that overall that we're going to see. I use it regularly for a lot of different factors, even just search for myself. If I'm looking for a good restaurant that is specific to what I'm looking for, I go to Perplexity or I go to Grok or I go to ChatGPT to look for these things. I almost never go to Google anymore to find the solutions. And I'm 47. I'm the last part of Generation X. I'm the last high school class that really didn't have the internet, but I'm certainly jumping on board and embracing all these new opportunities. And the businesses that see themselves in existence in 5 to 10 years are going to be the ones that do the same thing. So make sure that you are one of them. No matter what field you are in, your business cannot afford to ignore the AI revolution. I hope you have found this useful. By all means, hit us with a question and a comment. We look forward to hearing from you. Email us, support@Strottner.com. We'd love to hear if there are any blog or video topics you'd like to see covered. And come back for our next video. I have a hunch it's going to be about AI, SEO, or design. My name is Michael Carroll, Vice President of Strottner Designs. I've really enjoyed this video and being here with you guys today. And until next time, be good. If you can't be good, definitely be careful. Have a great afternoon.